categorizes students in educational fields having complete structure of professional career.
The Minhaj University has been conceived as a forum for the development of students as good scholars, good professionals and good human beings. The development of analytical, conceptual and human skills are at the core of our studies. Emphasis on personal integrity and professional ethics is very well laid. And finally, creation of vibrant, healthy civil society having intercultural communication and understanding is at the core of our teachings.
The programs being run at TMU are MBA with specialization in marketing, finance, IT and HR management. Master in Public Administration MPA providing specialization in HR and Industrial Management. MCS, MSc Mathematics, MA English, MA Economics, MA Islamic Studies, MA Arabic and Sharia courses. BSc Honours in Computer Sciences. BSc with 4 combinations is being launched from 2004. BCom, ICom, ICS, FSc, Pre-Engineering, Pre-Medical and General Science. The Minhaj University has 2 campuses. One is located at 365M Model Town, Lahore, spread over 20 canals, and the other campus is situated at Township over 200 canals, which comprises a College of Sharia and Modern Sciences, College for Women, Institute of Classical Islamic Sciences, ICIS, Institute of Sharia and Correspondence Courses, and a model secondary school. Lahore holds the magnificent Research Institute of TMU that is no doubt a valuable bank of professional and Islamic educational glory. The other infrastructure at the Minhaj University comprises TMU is backed by 18 years of educational services. In 1986, university started 7 years degree course in the discipline of Sharia, which has been recognized as equaling to MA Arabic and Islamic Studies by the University Grants Commission, Pakistan. Now the College of Sharia and Modern Sciences, Cosmos, is offering students the best all-round education. We took another vital step towards women education with establishment of Minhaj College for Women and started degree classes for girls since 1993. Then it offered master programs since 2001. TMU set another milestone regarding information technology and unveiled the curtain of its IT college. The programs being offered here at bachelor and master level are Computer and Management Sciences, Commerce, Economics, Mathematics and English Language and Literature. There are 6 faculties comprising various departments include Faculty of Commerce and Management Sciences, Faculty of Science and Technology, Faculty of Social Sciences, Faculty of Islamic Studies, Faculty of Languages and Faculty of Basic Sciences and Mathematics.
मिनहाज यूनिवर्सिटी में इस वक्त 6 फैकल्टीज़ हैं जिनके तहत कई एक शोबाजात खोले गए हैं और उनमें इल्मी और तहकीकी काम हो रहा है। इस यूनिवर्सिटी को मज़ीद वसअत देने के लिए कई एक नए मंसूबों पे काम हो रहा है। नई फैकल्टीज़ में लॉ कॉलेज, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज और मेडिकल कॉलेज शामिल होंगे।
Since the Minhaj University aims at personality development and character building of students, therefore there is a system of co- and extracurricular activities in addition to the formal education being imparted under various disciplines.
क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है, एनवायरनमेंट बहुत अच्छा है, इसकी वजह से हम लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा फील करते हैं यहाँ पे। और स्टडीज़ तो ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छी हैं और टीचर्स अच्छे मिलते हैं और हम लोग को प्रॉपर सारी क्लासेस होती हैं। लैब बहुत अच्छी, हम लोग को टीचर्स लैब में मौजूद होते हैं हम लोग की हेल्प करने के लिए।
The conduct of the seminars, workshops and refresher courses is also a marked feature of the educational scheme being followed in TMU. Students are kept well informed not only in these subject related matters but also on developments of major national and international events. Scholars, academics and intellectuals belonging to different fields having different backgrounds and experiences are invited to deliver speeches and addresses in these seminars. In addition to this, the weekly lectures of the Chancellor Dr. Muhammad Tahirul Qadri are also held that cover religion as well as modern day developments.
Moral and ethical and spiritual behavior of human beings and people. How to become a perfect Muslim. How to become truly a righteous Muslim. How to become a truly pious Muslim. How to become a perfect man in your Iman and Islam and worshipping and practicing. How to become a perfect man in your morals and akhlaq. How to become a perfect practicing Muslim in your worshipping and ibadah and in your behavior to other people. So this is the whole sum of tasawwuf.
In co- and extracurricular activities, students are given fullest opportunities to demonstrate their talent in as diverse areas as speech making, debates, poetry and speaking contests. Sports play a necessary part in personality development of students. Sports also help them grow into physically and mentally fit individuals. Having virtues like patience and sportsman spirit, they can be able to maximize their creative potential for the betterment of the society.
Very beautiful objective of our university is to produce such individuals who have very moderate personalities. They are very good citizens, they are very good Muslims, above all they are very good human beings.
The Minhaj University